So I'm basically gonna show off the controller icons add-on, and you can find it in the asset store by searching for controller icon, and it's right here. I tried downloading this version, but it didn't want to work, so you can also get it on GitHub and press code and download the zip, and then you can just drag it into your project. After you do that, you can go to project settings and then into, let's see, plugins and enable it. And then hit close, and you may want to go to project and then reload the current project and save and reload. And let's see, so we can go into the 2D view and we can add a other node, and I'm gonna add a button, and it's gonna be a texture button. We can go to it and make it a little bit bigger, and let's make a texture for it. So if we go to the file system, we can right click here and we can do a new resource and search for icon, and you will see controller icon texture. It creates, and I'm gonna call this test. And now we can open up the test resource, and we can see path in the inspector. Click on the symbol that seems to open the path. We can drag this window up. It's a little bit buggy that it starts at a smaller size, but if we drag it up a little bit, we can see it. I haven't made any custom actions in my project, so none will show here, but I'm gonna click show built-in actions, and we can select one. I'm gonna select one that can showcase the controller as well. This one has the space and the Y, so I'm gonna select UI select. And then I'm gonna click on the texture, and I'm gonna drag in this texture into, let's see, texture into the normal. And I'm gonna set the stretch mode to keep centered. Perfect. And then I have a controller that's connected to my computer. And if I press anything on the controller, it will update in the engine. So I'm gonna just press to the side here, and it's swapped to a Y. And now I move my mouse so it swaps right back. So that's basically how it works. And if I go into project settings and add a custom action, I'm gonna call this, say, forward, hit add, and then we add W to it. And then on the controller, maybe I want D-pad up, and hit OK. Now we can add a new resource again, controller icon texture, call it forward or whatever you want to call it. Select the path and drag this window out. Now my custom one shows up, and I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna duplicate this. Oh, I can't duplicate it. I'm gonna add another texture button. Go to the side here, go into the textures, drag in the forward to the normal, and if I press my controller, it will show the D-pad up. That's basically how it works. There's one more thing I want to show that's new with 4.7, and that is this. So let's see. Rich text label. They got the height of 1 rem. And that, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm pretty sure that will be a really nice thing. So let's see, label, rich text label. And if you want to add it inside of text, you enable BB code, and then you can select the forward in the inspector, right click on it and do copy UID. And then you do hard brackets. Let's see, hard brackets. You do image equals, I think it's like this, but maybe it's parentheses. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna copy what it says right here. So, do you have any coins? I was a little bit wrong on the way you type it, but Now I can copy the UID again, and apparently it's in between the image tag, so I'm gonna replace coin.png with this, and now we have the W right there. And the cool thing with the height of 1 EM is that if I don't have this, it won't respect the size of the text. And this is a really nice feature because it allows you to more easily have the image be the height of the text. I can make it 2 or 1, you know. Basically, it's the same height as the text now, so that's a nice thing. Yeah, and I basically want to shout out Jace. Let's see what his name is. I'm just gonna call him Jace. He's basically the only guy that made the tutorials on this add-on or plugin. And yeah, this is basically an updated version that shows up a little cooler stuff, you know. And I think I said it earlier, but if it doesn't work through the asset store, just download it on the GitHub and it will work. And they're probably gonna put up a new release for 4.7 soon, so it should just work through the asset store. I guess that's it. Thank you.